We humans in this great civilization sometimes believe whatever we read on social media. If you do too, then you must have come across a picture or maybe heard there is a hole in the universe. There's a region of space so large and empty, a billion light years across, that there's nothing in it at all. There's no matter of any type, normal or dark, and no stars, galaxies, plasma, gas, dust, black holes, or anything else. There's no radiation in there at all either. It's an example of truly empty space, and its existence has been visually captured by our greatest telescopes. Well, that's what some people claim so, in a photograph which has spread throughout the internet for years and refuses to die. Scientifically, however, these claims are not accurate at all. There are no holes in the universe. The nearest we have are the underlying areas known as cosmic vacuums that nevertheless contains matter. Furthermore, this is a photo of gas clouds rather than a void or hole. Let's investigate further. Starting from the noticeable number of point of lights, they are different brightnesses and come in a variety of colors. And the black cloud that appears is clearly in the foreground of them all, blocking all of the background light in the center, but only a portion of the lights at the outskirts, allowing some of the light to stream through. But can those light sources be billions of light years away? No, definitely not. They are stars within our own Milky Way galaxy, which itself is around 100,000 light years across. Therefore, the light blocking object has to be smaller than those stars are, and has to be relatively small if it's so nearby. So, it cannot be a great void in the universe. In fact, there is a cloud of gas and dust that's just 500 light years away. This is called dark nebulae, which is named Barnard 68. It was discovered by astronomer Edward Barnard about 100 years ago. He was surveying the night sky looking for regions of space where there was a dearth of light silhouetted against the steady background of the Milky Way stars. In infrared, everything becomes clear. The particles that make up the dark nebula are extremely good at absorbing visible light. But longer wavelengths of light, like infrared, can pass right through them. You can clearly see that this isn't a void or a hole in the universe at all, but just a cloud of gas that light can easily pass through. Bog globules. Yes, these are called Bog globules. They are abundant throughout the all gas-rich and dust-rich galaxies and can be found in many different locations in our own Milky Way, from the dark clouds in the plane of the galaxy to the light-blocking clumps of matter found amidst star-forming and future star-forming regions. But does that mean there aren't any voids in the universe? Yes, they do exist, billions of light years away. They are enormous cosmic voids in space. Typically, they can expand for hundreds of million light years in diameter, and a few of them might extend for a billion light years in size, or even many billion of light years. And one more thing is true: the most extreme ones don't emit any detectable radiation. But that does not mean there aren't any matter. Stars, normal matter, dark matter, everything is present there. But we cannot just measure them using traditional methods. But the universe is dying and expanding. Someday, when the stars die and the few remaining stars get too far from each other, there will become an absolute void, the death of the universe. If you'd like more content like this, please share and subscribe. Keep watching.